Back for question 16. Good on you. Let's check it out. So, create the bash script for something like this. I don't remember all the details, of course. Nobody, it's something like this. Create a script called go find that find files on the USR shared directory that are smaller than 1 megabyte and put them on the root find directory. Okay? So let's create a directory, mkdir /p root find, and create the script. I have the scripts already created, so you save some time here. So just put the shebang there. It's not mandatory, but I like to put it. And you just need to do something like this. Finds on the shared directory, type file, smaller than 1 megabyte, and copy to the root find directory. Okay? Then we set the permissions, and we execute the file, the script. Okay? Now you should have on the find directory all the results. Okay? Let me show you the file, the script again. There we go. So a few more points in the back. You're getting there. Baby steps and you get there. Like, subscribe, and comment. And I'll see you in the next one, guys. Cheers.